Welcome to the future of human exploration. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Mars colonization. Buckle up as we explore the challenges, innovations, and potential of making the red planet our second home. The year is 2035. After decades of preparation, the first human mission to Mars is underway. As our intrepid explorers approach the rusty red surface, let's break down what it takes to colonize this alien world. First things first, we need a place to live. But you can't exactly pack a house in your luggage. Enter 3D printing technology. Using Martian regolith, that's fancy talk for Martian soil, robots will construct our first habitats before humans even arrive. These structures will be designed to withstand the harsh Martian environment, protecting colonists from extreme temperatures and radiation. But why stop at the surface? Underground tunnels offer natural protection from the elements. Plus, they're perfect for channeling your inner Martian mole person. Now, let's talk about the essentials: water and oxygen. Contrary to popular belief, Mars isn't just a giant red desert. There's water hidden in those polar ice caps and even in the soil. Robotic miners will extract this precious ice, which will then melt and purify for drinking, farming, and even fuel production. As for breathing, we'll be playing a cosmic game of chemistry. By splitting water molecules or processing the carbon dioxide-rich Martian atmosphere, we can produce the oxygen needed to keep our colonists alive and kicking. To power our Martian dreams, we'll harness the sun's energy with massive solar arrays. But don't worry, we've got a backup plan for those infamous Martian dust storms. Enter nuclear power. Small, efficient reactors will ensure our colony stays lit even when the sun decides to play hide-and-seek. Now let's talk grub. Shipping food from Earth? Not exactly cost-effective. Instead, we'll set up vertical farms in our habitats, growing genetically engineered plants that can thrive in the Martian environment. And for the meat lovers out there, lab-grown proteins will provide that savory fix without the need for Martian cows. Getting around on Mars will be a mix of high-tech rovers for ground exploration and possibly even flying drones for aerial surveys. To stay connected with Earth and post those epic Martian selfies, we'll establish a network of satellites ensuring constant communication. Living on Mars comes with its unique set of challenges. The low gravity, for instance, can wreak havoc on the human body. But fear not, our colonists will follow strict exercise regimens and may even use artificial gravity chambers to stay fighting fit. Radiation is another party pooper. Our habitats will be equipped with advanced shielding, and colonists may even undergo genetic modifications to better withstand the harsh Martian environment. As our colony grows, some visionaries dream of terraforming Mars, transforming it into an Earth-like planet. While this is a monumental task that could take centuries, it starts with small steps like releasing greenhouse gases to thicken the atmosphere. Fast forward to 2100. Mars is home to thriving cities with a population in the thousands. Humans born on Mars may even consider themselves Martians rather than Earthlings. The colonization of Mars represents the next giant leap for humankind. It's not just about conquering a new world, but about ensuring the long-term survival of our species. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier, one thing is clear: the future is